In order to scale with Amazon affiliate marketing, you need an Amazon affiliate store. But most people think that you need Shopify, a website, or a huge budget in order to start. But I built a professional looking Amazon affiliate store for free. No hosting, no coding, and no monthly fees. You see, having an affiliate store is super important as it makes you look professional even if you're just a beginner. So instead of sharing scattered affiliate links here and there on social media, you have all of your affiliate links in a single store that presents all of the products that you would like to promote in one single place. And it makes it clean and builds more trust with your audience. And also, having a store increases the chances that people would browse more, click more, and even buy more products, which increases the average order value and in turn increases your potential commissions. Which is why in this video, I will be showing you exactly how I did it step by step so you can finally be able to build an Amazon affiliate store that has a high conversion rate and start making affiliate income without spending any upfront cost. Now, the very first thing that you want to do is you want to head over to kit.co, and the next thing you want to do is you want to sign up. You want to click on the sign up button over here, and here you can either sign up with Twitter, with Facebook, or with email. Now, you can choose any of them, and if you're going to sign up, let's say with email, you want to put in your email address, your username, your password, and your confirmed password, and your account to be created in less than a minute. Next thing, you want to sign into your account, and you're going to see the landing page looking just like this. And the next step you want to do is click on this button here, or this icon here, where you want to view your profile. Now, what you want to do is you want to first of all set up your profile, because obviously if you are building a store that should build trust with your audience should be able to have an overview on your profile. So you want to click on edit profile. Now you want to input your image, which is your profile image. So I'm just going to go ahead and add an image. So I'm just going to add this image over here. I'm going to input all of this, and I'm going to simply go ahead and save changes once I am done. So now we have filled in our profile. The next thing we're going to do is to click this plus icon here, where we are going to create what is called a kit. So a kit is more like a mini store in the larger store where you can put similar products or group similar products that would appeal to a certain kind of audience. So for example, our kit name, we can decide to do probably something in relation to beauty, in relation to clothing, whatever it is always best that your kit is under a unique niche. So I'm going to go in with the skincare niche, and I'm going to say best skincare must-haves under $50. And we can describe our new kit, something that would make our ideal audience or our ideal customers understand what this is about, and of course, improve their chances of actually buying something under this kit. If you're not really sure on what to write, you can just head over to ChatGPT. So I can simply say, I would like to build a store and I'm looking to add products from Amazon as best skincare must-haves under $50. Give me an intriguing description that would appeal to my ideal customers and propel them to buy. So now you can see that ChatGPT has given us a description that we can use. And what we can simply do is we can copy all of this and go back to our kit and add it over here. You may want to tweak a little if you want to, just to give it your own unique feel. And now we are going to go ahead and click on next. And now it has taken us to this point where we want to add our product and our link. Now this is where you want to search for your product and add your affiliate link. So that way, when someone clicks on the product, it is automatically clicked through your affiliate link. Now what you want to do is you want to head over to Amazon. We're going to filter by beauty and personal care, because for the purpose of this video, our niche is under beauty and personal care. And we went over to bestsellers because we want to actually promote products that are already doing well on Amazon. And we filtered by skincare. So if we should scroll down, let's say we're promoting this product. Now, if we should click on get link, we'll be able to see our link over here. Now, do note that you already need to have been registered under the Amazon affiliate program in order for you to be able to have access to this link here. Now we're going to go back to our kit, and for our kit you can either add a product by searching for a product or simply pasting a link. That's like pasting your affiliate link. So we're going to go ahead and paste our affiliate link and click on next, and automatically this particular kit has pulled in information about our product. So you can see the product image over here, you can see the product name over here. You can decide to change the image if you choose, or you can decide to edit the product name if you prefer. I'm just going to go ahead and leave it like that. Now we're going to write what is the story of this product. we can head back to Amazon, scroll a bit down, and we can simply copy this over here. We can go back to our kit and we can paste that here. So now we've done that, we're going to click add to kit, and this will be added immediately under this best skincare must have under $50. Now we can go ahead and add even more by going to our Amazon.com. We can also go to Neutrogena makeup remover. We can copy our link, head back to our kit and paste our link here and click on next. Again, it's going to pick up the image under this product as well as the name. We can then go again and of course copy the about section. You may want to change it if you prefer, just to use in your own words something that you feel may be more relatable for your ideal customer. Again, we're going to click add to kit, and just like that, another product is added. We're going to go back again and we can pick something else. So let's choose this Medicure Collagen Jelly Cream. So we can copy this again from the get link, go back to our kit, paste it over here, and we're going to click next. So we are the first person to add this to kit, and we can simply add our product image. So we can save our image from Amazon.com and we can go ahead and add it to kit. We can also add the product name, go back to kit, and we're going to add it over here as well. Now we're going to also add the description for this product. We're going to go ahead, copy this out here, go to our kit, and we're going to paste this here as well. And we're going to go ahead and add this to kit as well. So I'm going to go off the camera, and just like this, we're going to add a few more products to our store. And once I'm done, I'm going to come back and show you how it looks like. So now we have finished putting some products under our kit. I want to go ahead and change our cover page for our store here. And I can easily head over to Pixabay, look for any picture. I'm going to use this one here, and I'm going to go ahead and download it. I can then go ahead back to our kit store, add our cover image, and impute what we have downloaded. So this is looking good, and I'm going to go ahead and apply it. And now we can easily go and open our kit that we've created. You can see our kit here. You can see a little detail about it, and we can as well add a cover page. We can also go to Pixabay and we can simply search skincare. I'm going to be going with this. I'm going to go ahead and download it, and we're going to add it from what we've downloaded, and we're going to simply apply it. So you can see we've applied this to our kits, and this is looking great. You can even add as much product as you want. You can see here. And another thing is you can create a whole new kit. So when you've created that for Best Skincare, you can as well create for another kind of group products that you want to add. So if we should click create a new kit, we can go ahead and name it probably Best Summer Clothing under $50 or whatever you want to name it as. And you want to then describe your new kit. You can go again to ChatGPT and say, I would like to build a store and I'm looking to add products from Amazon as Best Summer Clothing for women under $50. So we're going to go ahead and add that. So we can go again, copy this, and we're going to go back to our kits. So I've adjusted the name just to make it much more appealing. And we're going to go ahead and paste that here. So now we're going to click next again. Here again, we can go ahead and do the same thing that we did for the last kit we created. So again, we're going to start adding to this second kit just to give you an overall idea on how it's going to be. So we're going to go over to Amazon, and under Amazon, I simply filtered by the women's clothing, shoes and jewelries, and I just simply typed summer. So now we can easily pick some unique body wears that we can add to our kits store. So I'm going to pick this one. It's a bestseller. So I can just go to the landing page here, get the link, copy it, head back to our kits, and we're going to simply have it added there. We can simply get the image and the product from Amazon, and we can as well take the description as well from Amazon, and we can as well add it to our kit. So we've added this to our kit. We can go ahead and add something else. So I'm going to add this as well. Just as we did for the previous one, we're also going to do for this one by copying the link, going back, pasting the link over here, also downloading the image, and of course we're going to get the clothing name, add it to our kit, and as well some description about the clothes, and we're going to go ahead and add it to our kit. So we may just go ahead and add a few more, and after which I'm going to show you how it looks overall. So now we have been able to add a few items to our kit, and again we can simply add an image for our kit we can add a cover image for our kit. So we can easily go to Pixabay. So we can just type in women's clothing, and I'm going to be going with this one here. So I'm going to click on it and simply go ahead and download it. I can then go ahead and add it to our kit store at our cover page. We're going to upload it from our downloads, and it looks really super perfect. So just like that, we have created a kit. And if we should go over to our profile, you can see the 2 amazing kits that we've created. And the good thing about this is we are able to create different kits for different categories of products that we would like to promote. And you can create as much kits as you want, whether it's men's clothing, whether it's baby clothing, whether it's sunglasses, whatever it is. And just like that, we've been able to create a professional store for our Amazon affiliate marketing. So if we want to promote any kind of content that has to do with skincare must-haves, and we want to promote this particular kit, all we can do is simply go ahead and click on the share icon. You can even create a pin directly from here, Facebook or Twitter, or we can simply open the kit itself, and we can simply share the individual link of the product directly to anywhere. For example, if you are creating Pinterest content, because Pinterest does not allow you to directly post your affiliate links, you can utilize a store like this and simply upload your kit link. So if we should copy this link to share and we share it anywhere, this is exactly what your ideal customers will see. And you can see that because they have more options from scrolling, there is a large tendency that they have increased order value, meaning they can purchase this, just as the case may be. Or you can share an individual product. And once you share that individual product, this is what your ideal customer will see, and they can easily click here and it will take them directly to the Amazon landing page where they can go ahead and continue their purchase. So once you have built your store, the next thing is you want to start getting people. You want to start making sales, especially when you are a beginner and you've already been to your store, you're already looking professional, and you want to make your first affiliate sale as soon as possible. I'm going to be showing you how you can make your first Amazon affiliate sale in about 7 days. And in order to do that, you want to click the link that you see on your screen right now to check out the full tutorial where I break down step by step how you can do just that. Ciao.